Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can adjust the flow rate in Orca Slicer. This is really easy to do, but before you do this, of course, you want to calibrate your flow rate. Basically, a flow rate indicates on how much flow your filament extrudes. So to change or adjust your flow rate, you just want to navigate through calibration, click on the flow rate option, and then select pass 1. After calibrating or knowing the best flow rate for your specific filament, you then want to navigate through the filament section. And from here, you then want to click the pencil icon, which enables us to edit this specific filament. From here, you then want to scroll down, and then we have the flow rate and pressure advance. You can adjust the flow rate on the flow ratio option. The material may have volumetric change after switching between molten and crystalline states. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.